Welcome back. And I think there was a little red in that shot here just as we opened on up, getting in the Christmas spirit. And boy, is it going to feel like a winter chill as we get into Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But before then, good chance of storms developing as we head into tomorrow evening and perhaps a severe weather threat as well. So let's get to it. Let's look at our next weather maker as we look at the water vapor imagery. High pressure that hung on nice enough today to allow for mostly sunny skies. That was the bonus. A beautiful day. Temperatures in the upper 60s. That's moving out and making room for this fast moving upper level disturbance that's up here by Idaho and Montana. That's going to be dipping down into Texas tomorrow and will push a cold front through the area and perhaps produce some strong storms as well. Now at the surface, high pressure is off to our north and east, and that's been aligned for southeasterly winds, so moderating temperatures, especially for tonight. In fact, I think we hit our low right around midnight, and then temperatures may actually rise slowly toward tomorrow morning. So our lowest temperatures early this evening, clouds coming in, and then tomorrow it's going to be a breezy and mild day. Now we're going to see a few spotty showers across the area. I got rain chance at 50%, and that should be a soft 50%, mainly for a quick passing light sprinkle or shower. Main action developing in Texas late tomorrow afternoon, then moving into Louisiana tomorrow evening with showers and perhaps some strong thunderstorms moving on through. Last couple of fronts have had some strong storms that have produced gusty, possibly damaging winds, and we're in that mix again for tomorrow. Then that front pushes off to the east rapidly. We clear out. It's windy, much colder as we head into Thursday morning. Temperatures near 40 to start, and we stay in the 40s in spite of full sunshine during the course of our Thursday. And again, the model telling us it's going to be windy as well. Gusts over 30 as we go into Thursday, but a good north wind's exactly what you want going into Christmas Eve, because that gets Santa down here sooner. So that is the good news. And then Friday morning, it's going to be cold. Temperatures right around the freezing mark, wind chills in the 20s, and then we warm up as we go into Friday afternoon. Here's the Storm Prediction Center forecast for tomorrow. Marginal risk of a few isolated severe storms that could be capable of producing damaging winds, and the Storm Prediction Center actually saying there might be an isolated tornado or two. Man, we had some spin-ups that last front, although very difficult to know whether they reached the ground, but we had some strong winds, and I think we're going to see that again tomorrow evening, so be on the weather lookout. As for rainfall, it looks like another good soaking. The last couple of fronts have produced an inch and a half of rain. This one looks to be no different. This is the graph model, and to keep this in check, it says about an inch to an inch and a half. We'll check with the European model. That is pretty much going with the same deal, so we're pretty confident we're going to see a pretty good soaking, but no flooding expected. Again, this is going to be a one-and-done system, but it's been certainly a December of regular rains for sure. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the mid-50s tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we get into the upper 60s to lower 70s, so another mild one with breezy southerly winds throughout the day at 17. Few gusts to 20 to 25. Here comes that front. We get down into the upper 30s to lower 40s for Thursday morning. Look at the wind chills Christmas Eve morning in the upper 20s, and those chills stay in the 30s for the most part, while our temperatures under sunny skies staying in the 40s. So it's going to be a blustery Thursday, and then as we head into Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, temperatures right down to near the freezing mark, a light freeze, but not a pipe-busting cold, so that is the good news there. So not as chilly tonight. Lowest temperatures around midnight. Clouds coming in after midnight toward daybreak tomorrow. We'll say 50 the low, but closer to the mid-50s by tomorrow morning. And oh, by the way, again, Jupiter and Saturn visible in that southwestern sky soon as it gets dark around 5:30, 5:45, and you can see it up until about 7 o'clock tonight, so look for them. They're not right on top of each other, but if you look with the naked eye, they look awfully close. Binoculars help. Tomorrow, cloudy, breezy, and mild. Some sun intervals early in the day, a few passing showers, rain chance 40, perhaps 50%, but just enough to wet the ground. Quick moving showers tomorrow, and then tomorrow night, that's when the big action comes in. Now, for the big Ragin' Cajun First Responders Bowl up in Dallas. This is a Dallas forecast. It's going to be cold up there as well if you're traveling up there tomorrow or Thursday. Not much rain in the forecast, but Saturday not looking too bad. A morning start near 50. Kickoff, we're going to see temperatures right around 60 and 65 degrees with partly sunny skies and a Cajun win, we hope. The Cajuns are favored by 14 points against UT San Antonio, so we'll see how that one plays out, but something to watch. And it's going to be on KATC Saturday as well, so don't forget that. Winter chill is back Thursday, Friday. Temperatures 40s and 50s for highs, down into the 30s. flurries. Might see a frost also come Saturday morning, but milder temperatures as we go into the weekend. Another weak front Monday, and then as we go into next week, we could see a repeat of some pretty hefty storms late Wednesday, next Wednesday night. But right now, as we usher in 2021, it looks chilly and dry, and that is the theme, Marcel. A couple of mild days, but a couple of chilly days mixed in. And look out for the storms tomorrow night. They're going to be on the robust side.
Weather in South Louisiana. Thank you,
Right.
Rob.